Hi, this is John and Amy with TPF Trips, Places, and Fun. Hey, tonight we're in St. Louis, Missouri, where we thought we would eat at the Old Spaghetti Factory, and we thought we'd do a review on it while we're here.
All right, so we are waiting in their luxurious waiting area upstairs. It's going to be a 20-minute wait. We just walked in. The bigger groups were about an hour wait, but we've got just 4 of us, so we're just waiting. All right, table is ready. It was about 20 minutes.
So this is like a 3-course meal. It's pretty awesome. So with your meal, you get bread, either soup or salad, and then at the end you get dessert. So you get a little bit of everything.
Ooh, look at that.
Wow! Give me 1 second. And this is the cotton candy limeade. It has cotton candy syrup, Sprite, a hint of fresh lime, served on ice for a refreshing treat, garnished with real cotton candy. And I got mine with soda water instead of Sprite, so it's not quite as sweet. Although I've got cotton candy here, so. So this cotton candy limeade is amazing, and the straw changes color. It's purple and blue. Look, when I touch it, it turns blue. Otherwise, it's purple. What a great touch! And the cotton candy, of course, is awesome. We just came here from the Gateway Arch. It's very close, about 5 minutes. We did have to pay in paid parking lot. That was $6. But great downtown location. All this kind of really vintage look and just very classic and cool and unique.
And how's the food starting out? I like my salad.
I like their house, which is a creamy pesto. I like it a lot.
And the bread's good too. We just got an announcement.
We're plating our food.
Is that exciting?
It is.
We haven't eaten at all today, have we? And it's nighttime.
I had a snack at City Museum.
So the way I found this restaurant is I did a search online for family-friendly, kid-friendly restaurants. So I think so. I think it's great for kids, huh?
Yeah, I think so.
And they are having the time of their lives here and getting ready for, what'd they get? Spaghetti? Oh, Eva got ravioli. And she's right now rocking the kids menu.
What's funny is that Mom came to a pasta place, but she's gluten-free.
They have gluten-free pasta.
Yeah, of course.
Clam and marinara sauce. I have 4 different kinds of sauces on gluten-free pasta. This is like cheese and brown butter, clam sauce, marinara sauce, and meat sauce.
Is that exciting?
Yes.
Well, there's Amy's plate, and my plate's gonna look like that in just a moment. It was amazing. How was your spaghetti?
And for dessert, we each get ice cream, either, what do they call this?
Spumoni?
Spumoni or vanilla. And this is the bill. This is for 2 kids' meals, and our drinks and our meals.
So how'd you like your meal?
It was very good. I like the whole 3-course thing. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, so they start you with salad without even asking for your order. Then out comes the order, then your dessert.
Yep.
All included.
Yeah, that's really cool. You get bread, super salad, your entree, and your dessert.
So we do have the option of choosing different desserts. We don't have to get the ice cream or the spumoni, but those of course are going to be extra, but it's kind of cool that it's included. Everything's included unless you want to get something extra, right? Something special.
Yeah, and I mean, what they give you is so much. But if you want something different, you have that option. Tiramisu, chocolate cake, New York cheesecake, all those sound amazing.
Oh yeah.
Hope you enjoyed this review of the Old Spaghetti Factory. It was so cool. So if you're ever in downtown St. Louis, make sure to check it out. Great food, great atmosphere, and a really fun place for families, I think. Anyway, thanks for checking it out. Safe travels, everyone.